Hey guys, welcome back to a video. I'm your tutor Roland from Think Brainwave. And today in this video we will be continuing with examples for special angles in trigonometry. So in this example we want to find the length of x. In the previous example, in the previous video, which you can easily go and watch, we found the value of x with the angle theta, which was 50 degrees, and the hypotenuse being 100. We use sine, and in this case we will probably be using a different sine theta or cos theta, maybe even tan theta. So let's have a look at it. We'll discuss it. If there's a trig identity or a special angle that we can use, we will definitely do that. But if not, then we need to go, let's see, 25 degrees. We cannot go by our normal angles. So this is not a special angle. Special angles only include 30 degrees, 45, and 60 degrees. If you don't know that, you need to go and watch the video on special angles. I think it's probably the first, maybe the second video of this video playlist. Make sure to go and check them out all in a row because they all follow on from each other. It's very, very important, because if you build your knowledge base up with a lot of structure, these sort of questions become like really, really easy for you. However, if there's lots of holes and you miss videos and you jump around, you'll probably miss a couple of really crucial parts. I'm only really covering the crucially important aspects of each and every topic. So whatever video I put up, it's generally going to be very important, and I'll definitely say to you, listen, this is totally an exercise sort of question, so don't pay attention. However, this sort of examples kind of questions, when I do these, it's purely based on, variances in the way in which questions can be asked. So as you can see from the previous question, we had 76.60 degrees. In this case, we will now be working slightly differently. We actually have x as the hypotenuse. The unknown is the opposite angle. As you can see, it's 25 degrees. We don't know what the opposite is, the opposite side. We do know what the a is. We know what the a and the h are. So we've got 7 and x. So we clearly cannot do sine. So let's get rid of the sine. We put a cross over the o. We can do a and h, but we cannot do tan. So clearly in this situation, we'll be doing cos of 25 degrees. Really, really simple. If you follow through these videos, it makes it so easy. You're going to get 100% for these sort of sections, and trust me, it's going to improve your marks so nicely, and your confidence as well. So look at it. You got cos 25, you've got SOHCAHTOA, so you have cos 25 makes an a over h, that gives you 7 over x, and you rearrange the equation to isolate the x by itself. How would you do this? Well, I'm thinking that you need to multiply the right-hand side and the left-hand side by x. That will cancel the x on the right-hand side because you've got a number, as you can remember, I'm sure, a number that's in the denominator. When multiplied by the same number, it cancels the denominator number and the multiplied number. However, what you do to the right, you must do to the left. So if you're multiplying by x on the right, it's probably best to do it on the left-hand side as well, and you'll make sure to get your good marks. So if we say 7 over x times by x, we cancel the x on the right-hand side. We then multiply the left-hand side by x, giving us x times cos 25 degrees. Okay, from that sort of step, you want to be dividing cos 25 by cos 25, so that you leave x by itself on the left there. So you'll have x times cos 25 divided by cos 25, leaving you with x. All right, then what you'll do on the left, you do to the right. So what you've done to the left-hand side, you divide on the right. So you'll have 7 over cos 25. But let's do it slowly. I jumped ahead just to give you a quick explanation. Let's do it together. So you've got 7 times by x. And then you've got x times by cos 25. You cancel your x's on the right, leaving with x times cos 25. And as I mentioned, cos 25 divided by cos 25 gives you x. And then you take the 7 over cos 25. X is equal to 7 cos 25. 7 over cos 25 gives you a simple answer as you plug it into your equation, or into your calculator, I should say. So you can't do this necessarily off your heart or in the head. You actually need to go and plug this into the calculator. So we'll do that shortly. I'm just letting you see exactly what happens here. So what we've done is we multiplied by x on both sides. We then divided by cos 25, cancelled the terms, and we left with 7 over cos 25. In our step 3, we now need to plug these values into the calculator. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. We get a simple answer of 7,7 2, 3, 6, yada, yada, yada. Not important. We always put our wavy signs and says it's almost equal to 7.72. Easy game. That's how we do it.